Hello and welcome back to the Daily Eco. Today, discover all the incredible benefits ginger has to offer and learn how to easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Properties of ginger. Ginger boasts a wide range of impressive properties, including aiding digestion, fighting viruses, relieving pain, and reducing inflammation. It's no wonder this root has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Ginger's power lies in its unique makeup. First and foremost, there are gingerols. These unique compounds give ginger its distinctive spicy kick and are not found in any other plant. In addition, ginger contains 2.5 to 3% essential oils, with curcumin and alpha-farnesene being the most notable. Finally, ginger is a good source of potassium, iron, phosphorus, and magnesium. Thanks to these properties and active ingredients, ginger boasts a variety of impressive benefits. Let's take a closer look. Digestive aid. It reduces flatulence, diarrhea, nausea, dizziness, while stimulating secretions for better food breakdown. Ginger also increases intestinal movement and may eliminate harmful gut bacteria with its antibiotic properties. Helps with arthritis and rheumatism. Ginger can be applied topically to sore joints for localized relief. Additionally, consuming ginger internally helps reduce inflammation throughout the body. Weight management and liver health. Ginger's spicy kick may help increase your metabolic rate by stimulating circulation. These, in turn, could contribute to weight loss efforts over time. Also, in overweight and obese individuals, ginger may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver and potentially lessen inflammation associated with fatty liver disease. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. What family of plants does ginger come from? Solanaceae family, Composite family, Cingabraceae family, Lamiaceae family. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to take ginger. Ginger's versatility allows you to reap its benefits in several ways. First, ginger is readily available in two forms, fresh and dried. For digestive issues, you can consume 1 teaspoon of dried ginger with liquid to aid swallowing. Moving on to tea, prepare a ginger infusion using fresh or dried ginger. Steep 1 gram of ginger in boiling water for 10 minutes, strain and enjoy before meals. In addition to these common methods, health food stores offer concentrated forms like extracts, capsules, and pure essential oil. However, for topical application of essential oil, remember to dilute it to avoid skin irritation. And finally, you can also incorporate ginger into your meals for added flavor and a potential digestive boost. Contraindications. First and foremost, individuals with gallstones should avoid ginger unless explicitly recommended by their doctor. For pregnant women experiencing nausea, ginger is not the answer. Due to its potency, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. Ginger may interact with medications that affect blood clotting. If you take antiplatelet drugs or oral anticoagulants, avoid combining them with ginger. People with active hemorrhoids should also proceed with caution, as ginger can generate internal heat. It could worsen the burning sensation and discomfort. The impact of ginger on blood pressure is unclear, with potential for both increases and decreases. So if you have blood pressure issues and take medication, avoid ginger unless discussed with your doctor. Side effects. While generally well tolerated, ginger can cause some minor side effects in high doses. First, ginger's ability to lower blood sugar levels can be beneficial for some. However, consuming too much might cause hypoglycemia for those sensitive to its effects. Next, ginger's stimulating properties can increase heart rate, circulation, and metabolism. This is generally positive, but excessive intake may lead to tachycardia. Ironically, overdoing ginger can also trigger digestive upset like heartburn or diarrhea, so moderation is key. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C. Ginger belongs to the family Zingiberaceae. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave your questions or suggestions in the comment section below. And until next time.